Make cinnamon roll macaroons with me. It's rainy today, which usually means bad news bears for macaroons. And yet I persist with my dry mix. And also meringue. Plop meringue. Plopping completed. Mix until almost the right consistency. Separate mix in 2 bowls. Add color in preparation for swirls. Piping time. The humidity will make these take forever to dry. So let's make fillings while we wait. Cream cheese, buttercream, ooey gooey cinnamon, butter caramel. Yum. Even more yum. Trap filling lest it escape. Time for beautiful swirls and delectable drizzles. Pack them away. Bye-bye, sweet sweetlings.